Exceptional design. The 12-inch nonstick skillet has sloped sides which deliver perfect performance and maximize cooking surface. The hard anodized is harder than stainless steel and is dense, nonporous and highly wear-resistant for extra durability and professional performance. Tapered slopes also provide a drip-free pour. Cooking and cleaning. Proprietary Quantanium nonstick interior is reinforced with titanium and provides lasting food release, healthily nonfat cooking option, and easy cleanup. You really have endless cooking possibilities with the help of unsurpassed heat distribution, that will heat up quickly and spread evenly. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Exceptional handling. This piece has a cool grip handle which are solid stainless steel riveted stick handles that stay cool on the stovetop and provide a safe solid grip. Warranty. Lifetime warranty. Given diameter as outer diameter. Top reviews from the United States. Exceptional nonstick skillet. With so many choices out there, it isn't easy to pick which nonstick skillet to buy. This Cuisinart fits the bill perfectly, a Goldilocks skillet that's not too light, not too heavy, weight is just right to ensure rapid heating and very even heat distribution. The shape is also ideal, nice large flat cooking area, with the sides sloped to facilitate easy tossing and flipping. The handle is also very comfortable in use, but you really do need to grip it near the Y-split for best results. Nonstick surface has held up perfectly so far, but I never use metal utensils or wash it in the dishwasher, so that probably helps. At this price with the glass lid included, it is an exceptional buy.